Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with Infant Toddler Youth and the Pump Station and Nursery, and we're going to show you on the Doona Base how to adjust the angle. Now, before you adjust the angle on this car seat, you need to make sure that you're parked on a flat surface, so that way you can get an accurate reading. On both sides of the base, there's a leveling device. The manual says that the white arrow has to be completely in the green. It cannot be touching the red at all. So when you install the base with the seatbelt or latch system, if that arrow is touching the red, then you need to make that adjustment. Disconnect the latch system. Well, that's how I have it done right now. The white knob on the top of the base, if you turn it counterclockwise, it makes the car seat more reclined. And if you turn it clockwise, it flattens it. So you're going to adjust it depending on the depth of your vehicle seat and make sure that the arrow is in the green. Now, in some vehicles where the vehicle seats are very deep and you cannot achieve the proper recline with just the base on its own, Doona does allow you to use a rolled up towel or a piece of swim noodle to go underneath the base. You want to make sure you put it in the corner. The base will sit on top of it, and that'll help reposition the base. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.